Hello.
Hello.
Uh, just you and me,
Mhm.
but yeah, maybe there is just you and me, so I'd like to proceed today's APAC meeting.
Okay.
Is to just share my screen.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's get started. First, just a reminder that this meeting is being recorded and posted to Airheads shortly after. And your participation in these meetings is an agreement to abide by the Cloud Native Security Code of Conduct, which can be found in the repo. And I need at least one person to volunteer as a scribe to ensure that all actions and primary content discussed are recorded in written notes and can be referred to later. Hello, robot. And Kyohei, can
Yes,
you?
sir. I'm
Oh,
just
thank you very much.
selfing out. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, so yeah. And for existing members and working groups, please remember to include your organization company along with the working group you are involved with and the update. So yeah, please write your name this attendance area. So yeah, let's move to topic 2 and no number intros and move to next community demo. Okay, yeah, maybe that is my turn and not so big one, so just to audience, but yeah, I proceed a community demo. Um, yeah. Today I'd like to introduce about RFC 8414. This is the specification about OS 2.0 authorization server metadata. The OS 2.0 authorization server metadata means if the client application doesn't know the detail of authorization server, then ask authorization server using this endpoint, typically the well-known endpoint, to get the detailed information about the authorization server. And there are similar standards about like OpenID Connect Discovery 1.0 specification. And this is also published metadata about the OpenID provider. OpenID provider and the authorization server is nearly equal, but OpenID provider is supported OpenID Connect. And that is yeah, this is written in here. OpenID Connect 1.0 is a simple identity layer on top of the OS 2.0. And regarding background, first this OpenID Connect Discovery specification was published in 2023, December 15th. Then published, maybe no, this is Erat set 2, so this is real, yeah, recently. But first published this specification, then published this OS 2.0 specification, and the yeah, there is described in this introduction area. The specification of OpenID Connect Discovery 1.0 is only targeted to the OpenID Connect. So this RC 8414 is the target, not only OpenID Connect, but also including the OAuth 2.0 use cases. Yeah, that is a difference between OpenID Connect Discovery and OAuth 2.0 side sub metadata. And there are some differences between the metadata published in each endpoint, but there is not so special different between two specification. But one strong difference is where that this compatibility nodes, and the difference is this URL of the well-known URL to publish the metadata. Regarding OpenID Connect Discovery specification, the URI, maybe here, well-known URI. Where's that? Maybe there's some description about the multi-tenant case. Here. If the maybe the case of the IDRs, if there are some multi-tenant, we can place the identifier of issuer before the well-known. So pass can be included before well-known some identifier, but this RC8414 prohibited to place some identifier before well-known. So, for example, that URL will, this is supported by the Connect Discovery, but this is not supported by RFC8414, and RFC8414 defines like this. The issuer identifier placed after the well-known, and this well-known path should be placed directly after the domain. And that is a main difference between these two specifications. And in my understanding, if the most of the OpenID provider or authorized server publish the metadata, is the implementation is like this. So it is a little hard to implement strongly support the RFC8414. But for example, MCP authorization specification, the RFC8414 is defined for recommendation. So that is big concern for implementers. And the news is that Keycloak can support the RFC 8414. And that is currently Keycloak's metadata was published in domains realm slash some identifier realm, then well known, but this cannot follow the RFC 8414. So currently Keycloak support the domain slash the directory well known, then after that realm slash realm. So Keycloak can properly support the RFC 8414, and that means properly support the MCP's authorization section, and also there is RFC 8414 is mentioned in this OpenID for VCI. That is a specification about the wallet model, digital wallet model, including the issuer, holder, verifier model. Yeah, so this support complying with RC 8414 is affected many use cases. Yeah, that's all for today's community demo. Do you have any questions?
No questions from me. Thanks for the presentation on it.
Thank you. Okay, so move back to the meeting agenda. So review of other time zone meeting. There are 2 meetings after the last APAC meeting. The first one is Brant provided community demo regarding the security manager role of GitHub, and this was published in this blog post. Yeah, some information are published here. Yeah. And there's some update from projects. For example, supply chain sites, security assessments, and compliance and automated governance. And just the progress about each project. And triage of current issues. There are security control catalog refresh, and also MCP authorization and authentication and authorization white paper. Yeah, we check these issues after this topic. Okay, so the last one is today's early morning. Their community demo about software supply chain and SBOMs. And there's some TOC meeting update and security assessment blog. Maybe this is also the issues. So this is not related to tag security, so maybe we should review here. This was published, but this is published under the tag security old repository, so we should move this blog to the TOC repository, I think. And this is the Cloud Security Control category version. I will review after. And yeah, this is good news from Justin. Justin is trying to bring academic closer to both practice and looking for practitioners to engage with researchers and contact Justin. That is a WASP Kubernetes top 10. So if you're interested in this, please contact Justin. And that's all for topic number 4, review of the time zone meeting. And TLC meeting updates was included in the American time zone meeting. So move to the topic number 6. Regarding IAM white paper, currently still under the TLC review, and the TLC requested the white paper's number of pages should be decreased, but that is not accepted request. So I try to coordinate the discussion meeting, and yeah, that's just the status. And do you guys have any updates for any project? Okay, so move to the number 6, triage of current issues. There are several issues tagged security and compliance. And from the 2 weeks ago, there are several issues update. And regarding identity and access management, yeah, this is a request from the TLC 38 pages as part 1 is not in line with the expectation of the TLC, and they request 1 to 5 pages. Yeah, so yeah, I'd like to set up some discussion with TLC to discuss this request constructively. And the next one is an initiative regarding keyword joint security assessment. And Justin follow up this. Then she answers something, and maybe this joint security assessment was restarted, and several collaborators gathered. Yeah, just a status of this joint assessment. So if you're interested in this joint security assessment, maybe you can join now. And the next one is confidential containers incubating application. Just Karina commented something. Yeah, maybe not so important progress. It just added this triage tags. And the next one is MCP server authentication in authorization standards white paper. And currently, several collaborators are joined. Yeah, maybe the first meeting is not set up yet, so that is the near future's task for this project. And the next one is Cloud Native Security Control Category Refresh Initiative. Yeah, there's no specific progress. Just commented by the Jennifer. And there's the proposal about supply chain security maturity model, but this is maybe the very old issue and even pinked, and maybe if there's no response, he closed this issue. Yeah, that's all for today's issues. So yeah, now next topic is general stand-up and check-ins from partner groups. And do you guys have any updates? Maybe no updates. So yeah, do you guys have any topic for discuss? Okay. So yeah, yeah, I'd like to finish this meeting. So thank you for attending this meeting. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Speak to you soon.